Welcome to 381 Ivy Street, apartment number 4. This is a recently remodeled, kind of reimagined 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom, however you want to use it, prime Hayes Valley apartment for lease. This is the entry here, main door. You have an open staircase, leads from Ivy Street into number 4. What you have is 3 rooms and a kitchen. And this is the first room. That is a 3-bedroom, would be a bedroom. As a 2-bedroom would be a living room. And then as a 3-bedroom, you really don't have a living room. There's new hardwood floors throughout the entire apartment. You have a little peekaboo view up of Cathedral Hill there. You're right here on Ivy Street. High ceilings. Little extra window up there. Down the hall, we go to room number 2. There's a nice window. And room number 2 has a closet. Pretty deep and tall. It's the heating system, which is a wall furnace. The bath has been updated. It's a tiled floor, a vanity with a quartz countertop, a dual flush toilet, tiled tub. Onward, we go to room number 3. Small, but not impossibly small. A nice amount of big windows. Back to the hall. At the end is the kitchen. So these beautiful floors throughout. And the kitchen's been remodeled. It features a gas stove with hood, maple cabinets, a black granite countertop, and a brand new dishwasher by Frigidaire. The refrigerator's over here. So you have a nice eat-in kitchen. It's a 3-bedroom. The kitchen would be the entire common space. There's a little bit more out the back door. There's a deck area. And the deck area is from here back. You can see people use it for all sorts of stuff. And interesting, the back of this building looks right out onto Patricia Green there on Octavia Street, and then down onto the Flippers patio. If you're interested in leasing 381 Laguna number 4, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.